Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter them. So to enter secret codes, you have to open keypad and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound *426 ****. And this is the FCM diagnostics menu. So here you can display different kinds of informations, something like that. The next code will be *pound *225 ****, and this is the version testing menu. So here you have a lot of other informations about like your software version, like something like that. The next code will be *pound *558 #, and this is the factory testing menu. So here you can like test different features of your device, like a lot of features, I guess. You can display different software informations, like you can reset your factory settings, you can display your emails, this kind of menu. Next code will be *pound *4636 ****, and this is the phone information menu. So here you can see a lot of other information. You can see the usage statistics, you can see some Wi-Fi information, you have some Wi-Fi configuration too, something like that. The next code will be *pound *09 #, and this is the like email informations, email QR codes, some other software build version information that we have seen before, I guess. And the last code for today will be *pound *06 #, and this is the code which displays your email barcodes, MID, email2, MID2, and also the serial number of your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.